Hey there everyone, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression video. So with today's device, we are focusing on is Sony's Xperia 1 Mark 6. It's already arrived for the Malaysia market and just got that brand sealed new unit here. So we are going to unbox it, go and check it out, and also test out the device for the whole day and see what I will find about this device. So let's go for the unboxing now. So here it is, the Xperia 1 Mark 6 packaging. So here are some of the features. You can pause the video if you want to see it out. Once that's done, I think let's unbox this unit. Okay. Yeah, don't think we want this plastic anymore. Let's go. All right, nice. Okay. All right. So there is some seals. We'll make a cut for it. Okay. Okay, done. We have practically opened up the packaging. So here is the device. Okay, so you have paperworks, warranties. Okay, basically that's it. No charger is included, and voila, you just open up this and done. Yep, that's it. That's pretty straightforward for the unboxing. Wow, definitely feels good on the hand, and this time because it's much more wider, it really feels much more better. Last time it used to be very narrow. Yeah, so this is how the camera actually looks like. Awesome, fantastic. So let me fire it up. Now, I have done the setup on the Xperia 1 Mark 6. So I'm going to use it throughout the day. Okay, I'm not going to charge it back. So remember, battery percentage is 51%. And we are going to just test out a little bit of the camera, and through my half day of using this device, what is my quick impression about it. So I'm currently recording this video footage via the front-facing camera on this Xperia 1 Mark 6 in 4K 30 frames per second. This is the video quality. Outdoor, sunny day. This evening, I'm actually currently at the Bukit Jalil Park. Yeah, so quite awesome, fantastic. So this video is being recorded with the rear cameras on the Xperia 1 Mark 6. So this is the ultra wide camera, and right now I'm going into the main camera 1x zoom. So this is the 2x digital zoom, and then you have the 3.5 times optical zoom from the telephoto camera. Okay, and then we will manually punch the zoom all the way to 7.1. Yeah, not bad. Quality visual looks amazing. Okay, so basically done a lot of shootings today. Yeah, so been shooting with the Xperia 1 Mark 6 with the photos, videos, 4K videos. Quite good. Battery life is 37% right now. So I'm gonna wait until much darker and then we're gonna continue shoot a little bit more and let's see how it goes. Now this video is being shot with the rear main camera of the Xperia 1 Mark III in low light situation. I'll turn on the light. Okay, nice. So definitely you need to adjust the exposure level. Now it does look amazing. Now I switch to ultra wide. Looks nice. And I try to zoom in up to 3.5. Okay, I have to go back a little bit. Yeah, nice. So right now at 7.1 times optical zoom. Looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna switch off the light, go back to 3.5, go back to ultra wide. Okay, so here you go. Hey there everyone, so this video is being shot with the front facing camera on the Xperia 1 Mark 6 with the resolution in 4K 30 frames per second. Simulating in the low light situation, this is the video quality. What do you think about it? So it's already 10:52 p.m. and it's time for me to give my quick impression for this Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. I would have one word, I'm quite impressed with the new upgrades. Impressed is the word. Okay, firstly, as we all know, the display right now is much more wider. As you can see, it looks better. And because they are not using the 4K panel anymore, battery life is pretty amazing. Really, no joke about that. So how amazing is the battery life? Okay, so I started to use around the 10 a.m. It's about like 50 plus % of battery life that time. and right now it's only 24%. So what did I actually use a lot more? Cameras. I am taking a lot of photos, 4K videos, trying out all the modes and so much more. And I have used it like more than 39 minutes. Okay, so it has consumed 68% of the battery life over here. And the other things I just use like for YouTube, Facebook, all the social media apps just to browse around. Basically, that's it. And I would have to say, splendid battery life over here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, speaking of the camera, right now you only need one app to operate it, which, oh my god, Sony, you have finally listened to shrink everything into one app. It's much easier to use. So if you really see the menu layout right now, it is much more simple. Won't going to be confuse the general users. Last time it's really more targeted to the enthusiast mobile photographers, but right now I'll guarantee to you everyone can use it. It's so simple to use. Like the new menu layout. You really also have to go and try it out. If you have the chance, go to the Sony store, go and check them out. It's really, really good. Easy to recommend it if you are a mobile photographer enthusiast. Okay, so how does the camera works? As usual, the main camera does amazing job with the Exmor T4 mobile sensor. Man, still one of the best main sensors for the premium flagship device in the market. Be it whether in bright daylight, low light situation, it excels. Kudos. Good job. Good job. And about the telephoto camera, because right now they have extended the range zoom, it still feels soft. That's only my minor gripe on the telephoto camera. Other than that, it works pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. If you don't mind about the softness of the image quality, then I think you will love the new telephoto camera on this Xperia 1 Mark 6. Meanwhile, for the ultra wide camera, photos taken, I would have to say it still looks almost similar to the predecessor, but definitely with the new chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on it, I would have to say there must be some a little bit details look much better compared to the previous model. But if you just roughly see it side by side, they are actually quite similar. The story is also same for the selfie camera. Still looks good, amazing. But with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, definitely it processes even much more better selfie quality photos. Yes. Okay. What about the videos? Videos, I would have to say they look awesome. I shoot most of them in 4K 30 frames per second. Main camera, definitely still hands up, looks gorgeous, be it in bright daylight or low light situation. For the ultra wide, yes, use it during the bright daylight situation, but in low light condition, I will have to say you better make sure to have the flash being turned on or use a lighting equipment to enhance it, brighten up the subject. Yeah. Meanwhile, for the telephoto camera, yeah, same like the ultra wide, just use the lighting equipment or the LED flash to brighten up the subject when you want to use it in low light situation. But if you want to use it in bright daylight, it's still quite good. And with the extended range zoom, right now you can just punch in a little bit more with proper good detail. That's all I would like to say. Okay, so I think I have go too long for the photos and the videos. yeah, basically that's my quick impression for the device. I think it's already too long. I've been talking like more than 6 minutes of this device. Nonetheless, impressive, but still need more testing. This is only just half day of using it. I'm already this impressed with the device. So wait for the full review video. With that, I'm gonna bow out. It's been a long day. Please do support the channel. If you're still new, go ahead, subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, please give a thumbs up, like on the video, drop some comments, and so much more. Share the video if you think it's good. All right. And then last but not least, make sure go to the social media account, follow us, and head to the website, read all the news articles. Once you have done all those, I'll salute to you for supporting the channel. Okay? Long day, cut short. Ciao. See you in the full review video. Take care. Alright?